started boiling over, but he could not retaliate. He started chasing me, being unaware of the fact that I was being chased by that man. Hello everyone, welcome to Grow With Shilpa channel. My name is Shilpa. I have been asked many times, ma'am, I don't have any partner. How can we do practice our English language? How can we practice at home when I am alone, when I don't have any partner? So let me tell you, yes, first of all, yes, you can be fluent without having partner. Having not any partner, you can be fluent. Yes, this is very easy. So I have brought a amazing trick for you. You can be fluent if you don't have any partner. First of all, I would like to say that these days a fake story series going on, and in which I show you how you can create your fake story. Yes, how you can create your fake story. But it is possible when you know what is tense. If you know what is the tense in this situation be used, you can create this program what I am going to show you. So without any further delay, I'm going to show you how you can do your English practice at home. So in this series, I'm going to take a half sentence, and using this sentence, I am going to make a fake story, a cock and bull story. So please listen me carefully. It will be very helpful for you. So now I'm going to take my half sentence is, I was in my room. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. One day I was in my room. I was getting bored and I wanted to go somewhere to fresh my mind, but no one was there. I decided to go to my friend's house. I took my car key and sat in the car and started heading towards my friend's house. Out of nowhere, a biker ran into my car. I stopped short. In no time, I stepped out of the car and I walked up to that boy and slapped him tightly. Having been slapped, he got stunned and he started boiling over, but he could not retaliate. I went back in my car, I sat my car and zoomed off from there. He started chasing me, being unaware of the fact that I was being chased by that man. I reached my friend's house and he also reached there. There he made a call to his friends and called them. When his friends reached there, he started knocking the door along with his henchmen. I start looking at the keyhole and I saw the same man whom I slapped. He was there with some guys. Seeing them through the keyhole, I got scared. What should I do? I got perplexed and I asked to my friends. One of them made a call to police and police came in the nick of the time and arrested them. After some time, I got relaxed. I took a deep breath. After having relaxed, I took I had a cup of tea along with my friends, and after some time one of my friends took me to my house, and then he left from there. After reaching home, I narrated everything to my mom, and my mom started making me understand what what do you do, yaar? Why are you getting too much anger? You don't get anger that much. I I thought, yes, I should not have that much angry. So I said to my mom, I'm very sorry. I will not get anger again. I will keep in my mind next time. So after that, I had my dinner. I went to my bed and sleep. So this is my story. This is my cock and bull fake story. If you are able to create this story, this type of story, you can create. You can create any cock and bull story. You can create any fake story. You can add anything, but make sure you know what tense it will be used. Okay, so please, if you don't have any partner, I also don't have any partner, I am doing what I am showing. Okay, so you can also do the same thing. You can. So this is the fake story. This is the cock and bull story. If you don't have any partner, I can understand. I also don't have any partner, but there is but. If I can speak this much, you also can speak up to the mark. Not like me, but you can be fluent that much on that level. Okay, you definitely will be fluent, but you need to do practice every day, as I am doing. You can take any half sentence, and using that sentence you can build your own story. Okay, so use this strategy, and try to start speaking at least. What I am doing, you can record yourself. You can record yourself. First you have to create your story, then you have to check your story, then you have to check your tense. What you wanted to say, you said or not, you have to check by yourself. Okay, so I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, if you like this program, please support my channel. I will keep bringing this type of videos, this type of programs for you. So please support my channel. Please like the button. You don't like my video, I don't know why you hit the like button. If you like my video, YouTube promote my channel, so please support my channel. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.